Hello, friends. I I'm just about to start some work, but I thought I would do uh, some of this first. Yeah. Shut up. All right. So the project rate is not good enough. 11025. That's the 1/4 speed, right? Yeah. So let's put it up there. Hello. Nothing like an ant. Alright, so that should change the sample rate. Oh, maybe not. Tracks, resample. Shut up! No! Cancel. Tracks. Resample. Yes. Alright, now comes the fun part. Uh, yeah. Do you think that's enough? No, it's not. Repeat. Much better. There we go. Oh, I forgot to disable the thing. Okay. Oops. Begun. Who are you? There you are. Okay. Begun. Okay. That should be the sound when someone gets a world record. I was thinking of having death sounds for when you hit triggers and Yoda death sound. That would be so perfect. Oh my god, it gets so annoying. But okay, I need a sound system where it activates a sound, but like there's a whole bunch of other modules I would want to make it like really good. Uh, Mainly, I would start at the top and make a global timer synchronization module where it has a very precise, like probably within a couple milliseconds, synchronized clock between all clients. And it uses Trey's method of ping slicing to narrow in on what the true ping and what the true clock difference is. And then it would get a very precise global timer. And then from that, I could spawn instance timers that are based off the global timer, but are are on a global event system. And so I could have events that point to times on timers. So I could have a global timer. So if some events could point to the global timer, such as pause events for instance timers, and then you could also have events that point to an instance timer's time. So if you pause it, the event would not happen until you unpause, or it continues and it hits the event. So things like uh, timers for players and stuff. So whenever they press a key, I don't know, and stuff like that. And it would you know how if you get a world record but you paused during the time, it goes like, and then it continues playing. That's because there's no instanced timers. It's all just using one global clock, and so even though the player is paused, the game has no idea what's going on. So that might also be why the bots skip to the end at the very end of the recording. Um, so yeah, does this say Starbucks on it? It doesn't. Yeah, so there's a whole system for that, and then I would also link in sounds as an event. So it would be an event with a time linked to it, and then when the timer or global timer passes the threshold, it plays the sound, and everyone hears it perfectly in sync. I mean, it's kind of overkill, but not when there's all these other applications of the global timer system. Like, and so the sound system, it's not that important, but it can piggyback off of the other work that requires this precise timer system and get precision for free. One more time. Wonderful. All right. Let's see if that export audio. No, not FLAC. All right. Now, when we play this on Audacity, see how right here there's like vertical lines? That's because it doesn't save the information above those frequencies. So let's see. Yeah, so now you see that there's information there because I increased the sample rate to normal sample rates instead of 1/4 of normal. Wonderful. All right, you guys get that in the Discord chat. Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. All right, well, that's done. Yeah, great. Okay. Map test. What was I gonna do? Proactive work. Oh God, proactive work, dude. Who the hell wants to be proactive? Predicting problems before they happen? Pff, let the problems happen, then I'll fix it. Alright, so, anywhere that there is, like, username.getList, oh boy, this is gonna be a little hard to find, isn't it? This is the username cache. Oh god, it's only in here. I'm gonna have to look for it, bro. I don't want to look for it. Alright, how request usernames. Alright, I can use these. The code will all be there. Right? 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 Time suck, bot suck, users suck. User suck. So, oh no, user list. So, time list, bot list, what the H, okay, we're going through the bot list, and yada yada. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. All right. So the times refer to the users, and then the bots refer to the times. So the users come first, and I have to hash the user table. So you hash. All right. Here it is. Oh! Time list must exist. It doesn't need to exist. The user. I got a question about satisfactory. Am I a satisfactory expert? Why are the bulls so aggressive? Oh, I can't answer that. I'm not a developer of the game. Probably because they were designed that way. Were you watching my streams? All right, user. So yeah, I'm gonna have to. Okay, so it's gonna be here. Local uhash equals empty table, and then if user list, then for equals 1 number user list do alright, yeah. Alright. How do I put this into the how do I put it into the system? Browser user. That was not bad. Get user. Prepare user. Prepare users? I mean, I could, right? Yeah, I could. I could just tell the module to do it instead of doing it in this code. But then it wouldn't be simultaneous. Okay, so I guess I'll add a new function, cache user. Yeah, okay, cache user. Local function cache user. That's what I said. User, and then whoa, Roblox. It forgot my keystrokes. Good grief. Freaking Roblox, dude. When is the best time to operate conveyor belts? What do you mean operate conveyor belts? Came late, but what are you doing? I'm working on my game. Operate. Time to operate. The best time to operate is conveyor belts is all the time, bro. What a sound effect. Where's the good one? There it is. Nice. This is copyright, isn't it? Alright, Super Mario. Let's do this music. It's good. Oh, that's perfect. Alright. I am not on it yet. You don't have conveyor belts yet? Conveyor belts are very useful. It's a little bit annoying when you have conveyor belts but you don't have splitters and mergers, because like you need those. Like, come on. What? Alright, okay, local user ID equals user.user ID. Just like that. Easy peasy. I do have them. I thought you said you don't I'm not on it yet. I don't know where to place them. Well, how you place conveyor belts is try to press the button, get it going, and then point at an entrance or exit to a machine, and then it always hooks onto a machine. It's not just a worldly item. Or I guess you can also have the little standoff things that you put somewhere, and then you can put a conveyor belt starting from there. But right, user stuff. Thanks to whitelisting me. What? There's no one to thank. Like, to be whitelisted, you have to get a world record. So if you got a world record and then you got whitelisted, that's how it works. I'm going to play Satisfactory, but I'm putting it on window mode for questions. Alright, I'll be here. I guess I'll just update it and not even care about anything. Alright, user. Yeah. Oh, I forgot how this music is supposed to be looped. I can't listen to it. It doesn't loop, so it doesn't sound good. Let's go for something else then. Super Smash Brothers Melee. Mario Kart Wii, that stuff is also looped. Load Runner Fortune Street. Huh. Breath of the Wild. Yeah. We were on, what music were we on at the end last time? I mean, it doesn't matter. We'll just go with something different. All right. Can it play it? Well, no. I don't have the plugin, right? Okay. Let's StarCraft, I guess. This stuff goes down here. This stuff goes up here. This goes up here. This goes up here. Let's go. Alright. Play B-Hop? I'm working on the game. Should I do caching, bro? The whole time I thought your channel was called Quaternions. Yeah, it's not. A lot of people misspell it like that. When update, precisely the moment it's done. Dot user. User suck. User list. Oh boy, dude, I don't. Shh. Alright. You can beat Koi Map and be up. I mean, probably, given enough time, but... User lists. Cache. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. Ooh. User state. Equals user.user states. Bruh, don't do that to me. Local cache user equals user.cache user. I remember when I just started, when I got on an island, a bull chased me right when I spawned. My hub was away from me. Do you even have any weapons? I guess, yeah, you got your fists, but they're just not very powerful. I can't even hear my own voice. My music is really loud. I couldn't find the package because I was dumb enough not to look on the map thing above me. The map thing? Is that a new update? Should not need to collect any usernames. Add knives or I quit. See ya, bro. Unless you mean eventually, in which case that's the plan. Your webcam is so dark? Well, yeah, the room is dark. The thing that tells east, west, south, and north, and when you look for ores. Oh, the scrolly thing. I see. Sort of like a compass. Alright, bruh. Hasbot. Sort, and then this is dead code. I'm thinking of the the girl brushing her teeth commercial. Oh, it's so good. All right. All right, I don't need a uhash because it's just gonna cache all the users. But what if all the users are already cached, bro? Tier 0 upgrade 4. You got a long way to go. Kind of jealous. I'm at like finished tech. Show your dog. My dog died a year ago. How do you eat the health berries? You have to equip them in your to your character. So open your inventory and equip them. I died from fall damage and I had some in my inventory. I want to join you, bro. I basically finished this code here. I mean, okay. If I join you, I'm gonna take over your game and like... get all the tech and stuff. How much did it take to make the surfing script at the very beginning? I didn't... Surfing came for free. I created a strafing script, and the strafing physics is what causes surfing on a frictionless surface. So I didn't set out to create a surfing script. I imagined that surfing would be a byproduct of creating B-hop strafing physics, and I was right. But for the first 6 months, there was no surf. There was only B-hop on Roblox, on my game. Okay. No, 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 no. State. My health berries disappear from my inventory. Da 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 da. So that should take care of usernames for alternate something or others. Okay, and then next. I don't have a blocking method for getting a list of usernames. I thought that music was satisfactory. No, this is StarCraft music. How did you originally know how source strafing physics worked so well you ported it to Lua? I'm something of a math prodigy. I basically guessed how strafing worked and then wrote an equation to describe it. Kind of an equation, more like an algorithm, programming algorithm. And it turns out that my algorithm was a perfect version of the strafing physics from Source. So in Source, it's a pretty long segment of code, but if you limit air acceleration to infinity, then it gets a lot smaller, and that's the code that I wrote, which is like 3 lines of code, and it's like infinite air Source engine air accel. It's better. I made it better than the original. Why did you repeat your comment? How much did it take to make the strafing script? What do you mean, how much did it take? You mean how long did it take? It was working pretty well within the first week. Was it based off of CSS? No, it wasn't based off of anything. It was all in my head. I guess that would work. Why does the pistachio looking nut have a weird animation of eating it? I've never... did they make a new animation for it? Because I don't remember it having a weird animation. The Freemoon Dust 2 map you made at the start was awesome. Sad it's gone. I didn't make the map. I made like the testing stuff in the map, like the end zone, start zone, the gravity changing zones, and some other testing stuff. I just found the map in the free models. Okay, I'm just gonna leave this. I'm not gonna add any code here. Alright, next. Okay. Fella. Times dot. What? Oh, yeah. Pushing new. What do you mean pushing? Oh, I see. New time. When you eat it, you face the nut down when it gets to your face. Why do you leave the toolbox and game tab open? I don't know, it doesn't matter. I guess I could do... big ol' username call. I want to join your game, dude. Sounds fun. Okay, let's stop bot. Auga. Making a portable miner for copper. Need more copper to do it. Well, you just mine it. Is this the map change? Yes, it is. Okay. Why the hell do you have a function named lol? Shh. All the requests failed if this failed, so it's fine. Here, okay. Zerg! I can copy this code from here. This can go right here. When you look on the list to find something to craft, then you check the whole thing and can't find it, although you know it's there, you check again, and then you can find it. That's the last of the coffee. Oh boy. Oh my god, all the username stuff. I remember a time when I found a bull and he was camping my copper spot. I just found... So when I fought him, I died and took my loot back, and he pushed me off the mountain and I died again. Oh, thump thump. Okay, um... Oh, it's awful. So awful. Oh my god, the code is awful. So awful. Oh, icky, icky, icky code. Needs so much change. I don't know. What do I do? Request username. Oh, it's not even there. Okay, here it is. Moderation dot updated. Not collecting usernames. This game is so broken that when I saw two bulls, I ran to the hub and they couldn't get inside, and they kept doing the running animation on the raised slab on my hub, and I could just kill them. That's a lot of video game enemy movement, like navigating terrain. Humans find it very easy, but computers not so much, especially in a virtual environment. What that? Welcome to Satisfactory. Um, I have no idea what's going on here. This is so... Ugh. Do I use conveyors to automatically craft stuff for me? Well, I mean, they can't do that directly, but you use it to transport items from one machine to another. To eventually automatically craft things. Alright, whatever. Just leave it. Next. Oh my. Oh. Well, I don't know. I really want to have things cached, but I don't know. Makes me want to rewrite all this code, but I shouldn't. Alright, did this name do anything? Nope. Can I join your game, dude? I want to play Satisfactory. I made a bit of proactive changes, but I don't know. Alright, let's see if the code still runs first. Let's take a look. Refresh. Ooh, there's some players in the game. Shut down! What? It doesn't exist anymore? Excuse me, what? It's here? Where's the launcher? What did I do? Show key? Oh my god, the guy. Alright. But did he really get a good time? Alright. Yeah, Pale. Map pale. Load bot. Scroll. But did you really get a good time? This time you got a good time. I'm watching you. Whitelist. Manual bot. Unload. Cool name, bro. I don't know how to invite. You have to add me to your friends, and then I can just join you. I think I'm just Quaternions. Dum 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 dum. Any errors in the server? Excellent. Big yikes, fella. Where the hell did my Epic launcher go? I can probably get a better one. What about recycle bin? Is it in there? Why did I do that? How do you feel that you come up second when you Google Quaternions? Do I come up second now? I think that's just your Google search, your personal Google search. Because it doesn't happen for me. Yeehaw! Doing an update. Why is it reading a bunch from the disk? Okay, that's really fast write speed. Oh, I love this disk so much. Okay. So the game seems to be still working even after my code changes. I saw my friend request. Where is that? Friends? Friend requests. Guessing that's you then. Building a base. Freaking epic, dude. Alright, well, I made some proactive changes. Everything's, or I guess, like, not completely set, but, like, oh my god, I hate the code. I hate the code. I want to redo it, but also I kind of don't want to redo it because it's working. Alright, it finished. Alright, I'm gonna restart the stream with a new name. How do I make a new live event? New live event. Cancel. I have no idea how to control this. Alright. I'm gonna stop streaming and then try and figure this out. I'm gonna try and join your game.